sa inyong lahat saan man kayong sulok sa mundo. Nandito na naman si Rich Mom na hindi mayaman. May gagawin ako today guys. I-share ko sa inyo paano ako gumawa ng chicken tikka in at butter sauce with rice biryani. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. I-enjoy natin ang pagluluto. So ayan po guys, yung
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.
Lupawin lang natin yung ating biryani mix. Katapos, dagdag natin ang ating rice na binabad sa tubig. Dagdag natin yung ating rice. Haluin lang natin guys. So, no need yun ang lagyan ng asin or seasoning kasi mix na yung biryani natin. Ayan. Hintayin natin siyang kukulo. Lalagyan natin ng tubig. Ganyan lang karami yung tubig guys para hindi magiging watery yung rice natin. Okay? Takpan natin. Hintayin natin hanggang maluto yung biryani natin. Rice natin. Okay? Ayan na siya guys. Pinit na yung biryani natin. Nilagay natin. Konti lang yung